Hi friends, we are learning object oriented programming system in Python. That's called as OOPS concept in Python. And already we have covered class, object, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Now we have to learn abstraction in a Python. So what is the abstraction? Just see here definition of abstraction. Abstraction hides the implementation details and shows only essential feature to the user. So you can see this example vehicle example. So just like you are driving a car but you don't know about the engine, right? So abstraction means hide the implementation. Engine we can't see, but we can drive the car. Means we call the drive methods. So in example, you can see from ABC import ABC. So what is this? ABC is a package. ABC is a model or a package, and we import the ABC class. That is the abstract base class. ABC is abstract package and ABC is a abstract class, and this is also one of the abstract method class. And in that you can see the declared as a class vehicle and inherited the ABC class, that is the base class of a abstraction module. And in that also you can see this is at the rate symbol and abstract method. So this is called as a decorator, or you can say this is the annotations. So in that class depth speed is a method, right? And above declared decorators, that is the at the rate abstract methods. Means this decorated define this is a abstract methods, and ABC class inherited means this is a abstract class, and we can't created the instantiate of a abstract class. We have to inherit this class into the another class. And abstract method means we can't implement anything, just declare the method. This is called as a abstract class, because all the abstract class methods are abstract methods. This is not implemented. Just we declare the method and we inherit this class into another class, and we declare this. We write the code or implementation the code of this method. So you can see implementation of this speed method. Here is a class bike and we inherited the abstract class, that is the vehicle class, and that we have written one speed method that is already declared in this abstract class. But here we implemented this method print bike speed is 80 km/h. Means we need to implement this method in another class. In abstract class we can't instantiate. So that's why this is called as abstractions. So first we can declare the all the methods and implement into the another class. So here you can see b equals to bike, we have created the object and b dot speed. So you can see abstract class cannot be instantiated. Means we can't create an object of this abstract class. We have created this child class, bike class object, another class, where we implemented the method. Forces child class to implement the methods. This is a child class and we have to implement the methods. So that is called as a abstraction. So let's create this example in our VS Code. Let's open your VS Code and create one file, that is the abstraction.py, right? And now we have to import one package, that from abc package module import what is the class of abstract abc, and for a decorator you also require the abstract method. So we have imported the package and imported the class. Now create the class, that is in class is a vehicle, suppose vehicle, and in that we have to inherit the abc class, right? And just declare one method, def speed, and just pass, because abstract class method can't implemented. Just and above this method you have to decorated, mention the decorated, that is the abstract method. Then this class is called as a abstract class and abstract methods. Now create another class where we can implement this method, just like a bike, and in that we have to inherit the abstract class. This is the abstract class vehicle. So just inherit this vehicle class. So we have inherited the vehicle class. Now implement this method, def speed. Self keyword is a compulsory because this is referencing the current object of a class. So don't forget to write a self keyword in a method, and in that you can implement the method in another class or child class. Bike speed is 80 km/h. Print bike speed is 80 km/h, suppose, and just create an object of a child class, right? B equals to bike, suppose, and now call the method speed, b dot speed. So you can see in this example. So how we create an abstract class? First of all, we need to import this package from abc, import abc and abstract methods, and just create any class vehicle, and inherit this abc class, means abstract class. So this is called as abstract. An abstract method is a decorator which you have to rewrite upon the method. So this method is called as abstract methods, and just inherit this class into the another class, that is the child class, and implement this same method which we declare in an abstract class, that is the speed method. And now create the child class object and call this speed method, and now run and check the output. So you can see bike speed is 80 kilometer per hour. So by using this way, you can create abstract class, abstract methods and implement into the another class. And when you declare the abstract class, this is compulsory to implement this method into the child class. So that's all about the abstract class, and this is the very useful concept of object oriented programming. So here you can see a real life of a mapping of a OOPS concept, just like a class considers a car, an object BMW idea of a car, an encapsulation engine. This is hiding a data. Inheritance, suppose electrician car from a car. So car is a one parent class and electrician this we implement this all car methods. Polymorphism, same break, different response, and abstraction, driving without knowing the engine logic, right? We don't know about a engine, but we can drive the car. Here you can see the quick exam or interview summary for a OOPS concept. So class is a blueprint of a program. An object is a instance of a class. Encapsulation is a data hiding, and inheritance means reusability, and polymorphism is one method many forms, and abstraction is a hide implementation. So that's all about the OOPS concept and abstractions. We learn abstraction, and before that we learn all other OOPS features and OOPS concept. So we have covered all the object oriented programming system concept, that is the class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction and polymorphism. So these all are the OOPS concept, and this is called as the object oriented programming system. So this is very useful in any real world applications and in programming and reusability of a code. So that's all about the OOPS concept, and in that video we have learned abstraction. So remember, practice, so you can write very well and use in various use cases. So thank you for watching this video.